All right, here we are at the Dennis Anderson's Muddy Motorsports Park. I'm Dennis Anderson, driver, creator of the Gravedigger Monster Truck. Been putting on these little mud shows, been playing in the mud most of my adult life, and I have good friends, just like what you see right here behind us, Jimmy Durrt. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this guy brought it. This was probably the best backflip that he's done for me, closing the show. We had a big celebration afterwards, and it was a great time.
Taking it forward, and y'all come over and enjoy yourself. Grab you some food from the food vendors.
They tore up everything.
Get ready for a celebration. We got about
But man, I just got to tell you, you know, all you Jimmy Durr fans and Reckless Militia fans out there, that this guy's got a heart of gold, and you know, he's got his heart set on his family first, and his truck is second. I think sometimes the truck may come first if he was like I was, but this guy has sacrificed every flower he's ever picked and every root that he's ever chopped. I can guarantee you that. Put nuts and bolts on this truck to come out and satisfy his fans and my fans. It is deeply appreciated from me, Dennis Anderson, right here at Muddy Motorsports Park. Love you guys. Got to check it out next time. Jimmy Durr is the man this weekend, guaranteed.